How to merge clips in CapCut Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you merge clips in CapCut Mobile. So let's get started. At first, you have to open CapCut application on your device. Alright, after you open CapCut, you'll get this type of interface. From here, you'll have to tap on the option New Project to start a new project, and from there, you'll have to select the multiple clips whom you want to merge. So simply select that clips. Alright, as you can see, I have added these multiple clips on my CapCut. So from here, I will adjust the clip from here, like I will cut this part from here. Okay, as you can see, here is the two clip. Now to merge this clip, I will have to go with the options like transition, which will appear at the just between of that two clip. So simply tap on that transition icon, just add the between of two clips. From here, you'll have to choose any transition effect, like I will choose this effect from here. Alright, as you can see, here is the transition I have added on my CapCut project. So in this way, you can, as usual, add multiple clips and you can easily merge that video smoothly on CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.